So what I have here is the REVVL. So this will be the same for all REVVL models for the most part. So this particular one is the REVVL 5 Plus. So let me go ahead and show you how to eject the SIM. So I have here a SIM card ejector, and if you don't have this, in the description area I'll have a link to where you could get a bunch of these from eBay. So let me go ahead and put it in that pinhole and eject it. So once it's ejected here, you can see it pops out, and the important part is really the orientation. So if I slowly pull this out and zoom in, you can kind of see how this is oriented. So the writing is actually towards the screen, and the indentation itself is actually also towards the screen. So if I pop this out and put it closer, that is the top towards the screen, and if I flip it over, you could see the difference. That's the bottom, and this is the top. And now if I put the SD card, so the REVVL supports 256 gigabytes. So here I have a 64 gigabyte card, and you want to put it flush. So if I lean towards the side here, you want to pop this in a little bit, but you have to be gentle because this thing is so fragile. But you also want to push this in so that it's flush. And if I turn it over, you can see the contacts are at the bottom. And, you know, just putting it here, you could see the edges are still sticking out. I really want to push this in. So you could see how that snapped in, and now it's flush. And now for the SIM card here. So similarly with the SIM card only goes in one way. So once again, if I zoom in here, you can see that particular corner is kind of the corner that is snipped, and same with this. So it only goes in one way. I have to turn over where the contacts are and put this here, and that is basically how it is put in. And once that's done, facing the screen at the top, I simply slip this in, and it just goes in snug like that. You know, push it in, make sure it's flush, and that's really it. So let me pop it out once again and show you popping this out. Popping this out in the middle, you know, just to give you a good look at how it actually looks. So that's really it. So I hope this helps, and please subscribe and check out the links at the bottom. And thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.